Okay, so now that we have our virtual environment set up, we're just going to create another script that I've already done beforehand. And now we're going to install a few things. So one is Jupyter, obviously, as you can see here. And then we're also going to install something that I like to use, which is an extension called Jupyter Themes. And in order to do that, it's very simple. You just go pip install Jupyter Themes, and you can activate a customized theme that looks nice. I like the dark themes because it's easier on the eyes. Okay, and I'll show you guys how to use that in a minute. So, and then we're just going to install the 3 Python packages that we're going to be mainly using, which is there's one more that we need, which is called StatsCan. And if we could go here to the documentation, it's a nice library for working with for pulling information from the Statistics Canada website. Okay. Okay, so now if we run this script, it will install that, and remember that we're inside of our activated data analysis and virtual environment that we just created in the previous video. So we'll just wait for that to install. Installing NumPy. Okay, and there's one more package that we're not going to use right away, but that is Jupyter Lab. Which is a good alternative. And you can just install that with Jupyter Lab. Okay. Just run that one more time. And there we go. So now what you can do is you just go inside the directory that you want to start off in. And just go space Jupyter space notebook. And that will open up a new screen.